everyone, I'm really excited to show you the transformation of our front yard in this video. So let's get started. First of all, let me show you how our front yard looked before. There were multiple weeds and bushes scattered all around the front yard. So here all the weeds and those huge bushes have been removed and the ground has been prepared to pour concrete around the house. And this area where you see we have dumped all the soil, we are planning to build a retaining wall around it. This is the arch that we bought from Bunnings to put in the front yard. Here 7 cubic meter of garden soil has been delivered and our first step in the front yard is being laid. And now the fun part. Plants for the front yard have arrived. These are gardenias to be put on both the sides of the walkway, and this is the wisteria plant. Now the plants have been put into the ground and the fence has been painted with white paint. Now it's time to level the soil as the grass turf is going to arrive soon. So here it is, our new front yard, and this arch will be covered with all purple wisteria flowers as the spring is coming soon. I hope you like this front yard transformation, and please subscribe to my channel to stay tuned for many more to come. Thanks for watching.